Morning guys, I'm gonna give Jamie Oliver and bloody Gordon Ramsay a run for their money. I'm gonna make a simple breakfast that I have almost every week, maybe twice a week. It's toast with avocado and a poached egg. I poach the egg by putting it in a frying pan and then just putting a lid on top. The moisture just, does its stuff. Check it out, let me know what you think. Chunky avocado on poached egg with a piece of toast. Can't start the day in a better way. I love this breakfast. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I think Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay are absolutely shitting themselves now that I'm on the market. I'm going to be giving people advice on how to cook. So yeah, look, it's a fantastic breakfast. It's light, it's easy, it's healthy. Try it out. Till next time, ciao for now.